Imagine waking up tomorrow and your main source of income suddenly stops. No salary, no major client, no business inflow. Will you still be financially stable? The truth is, we are living in a time where depending on only one source of income is becoming increasingly risky. And after years of working with businesses, professionals, and entrepreneurs, I've noticed something very important. The people who build long term financial stability usually have multiple streams of income, not because they are greedy, but because they understand the importance of financial security. Now, the good news is this: you don't need to quit your job, you don't need to abandon your business, you don't need to become overwhelmed. Today, I want to show you practical ways to start building additional streams realistically. Hello, my name is Chinenwali. I'm a finance manager, tax consultant, and a personal finance coach. Over the years, I've worked with professionals, business owners, and individuals trying to improve their financial lives. One thing I've constantly observed is this: financial pressure reduces significantly when people create additional sources of income. Because when one stream slows down, others can still support you. Multiple income streams create financial flexibility, stability, reduced pressure, better opportunities, and long term wealth potential. So, in this video, I'll break down different types of income streams, practical examples, and realistic ways to start building them without completely disrupting your current responsibilities. Before building multiple streams, it's important to understand the major categories of income. And yes, these categories are widely recognized in personal finance, investing, and wealth building conversations. However, people sometimes use terms depending on the financial framework they follow. So let's simplify it properly. One, earned or active income. This is the income you earn directly from your work, time, skills, or services. For example, salary, consulting fee, professional services, freelancing, business income where your active involvement is required. This is the most common form of income for most people. The challenge with earned income is this: if you stop working completely, the income may reduce or stop. Two, investment or portfolio income. This is the income generated from investments or financial assets. For example, dividends from shares, interest income, mutual funds returns, bond income, capital gains from investments. This type of income is usually tied to money you have invested. Three, passive or semi-passive income. Passive income refers to income that continues with less day-to-day involvement after the initial setup. Now, let me clarify something very important. Many people online make passive income sound like easy money, but this is not realistic. Most passive income streams require time, structure, consistency, capital, or effort upfront before they become sustainable. For example, rental income, royalties, digital products, online courses, content monetization, setting automated businesses. In reality, many income streams are actually semi-passive because they still require occasional oversight. And from my experience, the goal is not necessarily to become dependent on one perfect income stream. The goal is to gradually build multiple sources of financial support over time that creates a better financial stability, more flexibility, and reduced pressure during difficult periods. Practical income streams you can build. One, monetize your skills. Many people are sitting on valuable skills without realizing it. You may have knowledge in finance, writing, design, teaching, administration, business strategy, technology, marketing. Skills can become additional income. And honestly, this is one of the easiest ways to start. Two, start a small side business. Your side business does not have to be massive immediately. It can start small. The goal is consistency and structure. Three, one mistake many people make is waiting until they become very rich before investing. But investing is often built gradually. Consistency matters more than perfection. 4. Create digital content and digital products. We're in a digital economy. People earn money today through online courses, ebooks, YouTube, consulting, digital services, and educational content. And if you have valuable knowledge, you can create income around it. 5. Build strategic partnerships. Sometimes additional income opportunities come through collaboration and networks. Relationships matter. These are some mistakes people make when trying to build multiple streams of income. 1. Trying to do everything at once. Many people overwhelm themselves. You do not need 5 businesses immediately. Start gradually. 2. Ignoring structure. Additional income stream still require planning, discipline, consistency, and financial management. 3. Expecting instant results. Most sustainable income streams take time to build. Patience is important. 4. Neglecting your main source of income. Your current salary or business may actually be the foundation helping you build additional streams. Protect it while you grow. One thing I've observed repeatedly is this: financial confidence increases when people know they are not completely dependent on one source of income, because life is unpredictable. Economic conditions change, industries change, businesses evolve, and people who build financial resilience early usually handle it better. The goal is not pressure, the goal is stability. If there's one thing I want you to remember, it's this: building multiple income streams is not only for wealthy people, it is becoming a practical financial strategy for stability and growth. Start small, stay consistent, build gradually. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what additional income stream you would love to build. Drop it in the comment. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.